Hello friends, I am Dr. Shailaja. Welcomes you all at the e-learning platform of Kadi Vishwavidyalaya. Today we are going to understand the importance of mutual fund. Why as an investor you are supposed to go for an investment avenue for as a mutual fund. Yes. So, these are the various benefits why, or you can say these are the various things which are actually attracting the investments towards the mutual fund. Let us talk about the importance of mutual fund. Number one, channelizing the savings for investment. The meaning of mutual fund itself is the pooling of funds from one corner of the economy, that is the investors group, to the another corner of the economy, that is the industrial development purpose. Okay. So what is happening over here, that the entire investment for the prospective investors would be collected so as to go for an investment into the industrial development, and that is how it helps in channelizing the savings for investment, offering wide portfolio of investment. When a question arises of investment, there can be many objectives with the help of which an investor may proceed for the investment. The objectives can be the regular rate of return, regular income, capital appreciation, safety of fund, security of fund, many a times a risk bearing capacity. These can be the various objectives with the help of which the investors are selecting their investment avenue. So here when we are talking about mutual fund, there are various schemes. It means there is a wide portfolio of investment available along with the varied needs of an investor, so that their objectives of the investment can be fulfilled. Next is providing better yields. Yield means the returns. The safe and the higher rate of return can be possible with the help of the mutual fund investment, rendering expertise investment service at low cost. If you are an individual investor, at that time you may employ your own expertise, your own knowledge or an experience for the investment purpose while planning for your investment. But when you go for an investment into a mutual funds, at that time the experts called fund managers, those who are professionals having the good quality of knowledge of the market and even the various securities available into the market, with the help of that expert knowledge they are actually managing the funds of the asset management companies. Providing research service. These are the fund managers with the help of or on the basis of the constant research which has been performed by them will be actually designing the portfolio for the investment. One of the benefit, that is offering tax benefit. Yes, many a times, like the moment March month comes, the investors are planning for their tax. At that time there are tax benefit funds which are specifically helpful to fulfill this particular objective. Introducing flexible investment schedule. As and the very important feature of the mutual fund is free entry and free exit. Like the investments into the mutual funds are very flexible, that as and when investor would like to go for the particular investment into a particular scheme, at that time he may enter into, and at any time he may exit from that investment at the NAV of that particular day, providing great affordability and liquidity, because the free exit, that the NAV of that particular end of the day would be available. The mutual fund investments are very affordable and they are carrying at most liquidity. Because now what is happening, the investment which are been gathered or collected, corpus which has been collected from the various n number of investors would ultimately be invested into the capital market. The various portfolios, like in the various industrial sectors, so ultimately where the investment goes, it would be there into the capital market for promoting the industrial development. it is acting as a substitute for initial public offers. This is very important feature of a mutual fund. Now what is happening over here, that if any of the investor would like to go for an initial public offerings, at that time the initial public offerings would be open for a stipulated period of time, and plus the investment or such a subscription is to be done by an investor as per the instructions which has been provided into that particular IPO, into that particular initial offering. So many a times due to affordability, the all investors may not approach for an investment into the initial public offering. So the investors, those who would like to go for an investment into the capital market but cannot afford the investment directly with the help of the initial public offers, at that time mutual fund would be the best substitute for them. Apart from that, it reduces the marketing cost of a new issue. When it is an initial public offer, at that time the majority of the cost, like it has been said that the 30% of the volume of the issue would be spent for the marketing purpose or for the promotion of that particular new issue. So such a type of expenditures or such a type of cost may not be occurred for at the time of new fund offer. Apart from that, there are certain funds or the schemes which are specifically oriented towards the money market investments only, and that is how it is mutual fund investments or mutual fund altogether as an industry does not only support the industrial development, but it keeps the money market active. So these are the various importance of the mutual fund investor. So as that is why the investors, those who are interested into the regular return or those who are having the specific objective of capital appreciation, or if they want to go for the tax benefit purpose, or they are interested into the money market instruments, even the varied needs of the varied investors can be possible or can be met over here by the mutual fund industry altogether. Thank you.